Hey, I am Omkar. I'm working as a product owner at Veltris. So prior to that, I was working with Infosys as a QA engineer. So after working with for 5 years with Infosys, I wanted to transition to product management. So that's where I found IPL. I did my MBA with IPL, and then transitioned to product roles and work with Vehicle, and then currently with Veltris. While I was working with Infi in a QA domain, so I always used to ask these questions. So what was the big picture? So we were having a limited view in terms of the understanding of the requirements, right? So we were always given the requirements. We had to do the quality assurance part of it. I was just curious about the other side of the things. So that's what led me to the discovery of product management. And so while I was browsing through the courses, I found IPL, which is very specific to the product management. So that's kind of led to the IPL. At that time, so there was no popular and very specific product management program in India. So that was one of the reason I don't want to go for a generic MBA. I wanted to get a very specific specialization in product management. That was the reason why I chose IPL. That's one thing. And the second reason, I also looked at the ROI, right? So if you go with any premium B schools, so the ROI is not that great. I mean, at least to me, it's not that great. So that was the one of the reason why those two are the reasons I chose IPL. One is the learning by doing approach, right? So this hands-on skill learning. So this is not new to me. So even during my graduation, so it was one of the key thing and key focus area for all of us. So the real learning doesn't stop with the classroom learning. So it happens outside the classrooms also. So the focus on that learning by doing approach, because so you have to continuously learn even after coming out of the college. That focus on that learning by doing is something that that I thoroughly enjoyed. And the second part, so learning from the practitioners, right? So people who actually practice, teach, learning from those folks, people who have real world experience. Learning from that is something that really enjoyed. I strongly believe learning is something that it's a continuous thing. So it doesn't stop with one role. It doesn't stop with one degree. So you have to continuously learn and evolve. So for anybody who wants to stay relevant, who wants to do something meaningful in their careers, so continuous learning is something that's a really important thing, given the current trends also. Any advice to anybody who wants to be, I think I would say continuous learning and upskilling.